Hello guys, today I am coming with an unboxing. I need more equipment, that's why I decided to buy. So it's all here. This is my first box, but the other box are coming on the way. So this is already a purchase. It cost me 576 euro. So it's a big purchase already. Yes, we have media mod. This is the battery and charger, extra battery and charger. I bought the remote for the GoPro, and finally this is what I am going to do the unboxing today. I have one more. So what we have here, this is a memory card. It's good that I found it, otherwise I will. This is for the GoPro 10. This is for GoPro 8. This is extra battery and charger, and I did the second purchase for GoPro 8. So this is all 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 things. I bought it. It cost 575 euro. I bought it directly through the website of GoPro. They gave me a discount because I bought an abonnement. There is a lot of difference between the real price and discount. After the discount, this media mod cost really in the market 80 euro, but I bought it less. I will tell you immediately. Media mod, I bought it for 62 euro. The extra battery and the charger, it cost me 35 euro. So now I am just going to open it, the GoPro 10. Let's see quickly. I don't want to take much time. I am not going to do the setup because there are tons of videos. So this is it, guys. GoPro 10. So let's open, guys. This is the box, very safe and strong. This is very useful for the product. It can be safe always. It can protect from the shocks when it fall down or something like that. So let's see here. Here it is the product, and what is here. It is just okay. Here we need to bring the updates from the website, I think, before we use the camera. So the guidelines and the manual. So let's put it again there. So let's bring it out. The USB-C wire and the curve mount. This is important for the blocks, and the thumbs screw. And here we have the battery. I heard that this battery is usable for the GoPro 9, but my camera is GoPro 10, so I don't need to struggle with that. This is the buckle mount. This is very important. So they keep the necessary accessories here and bring it out the camera. Okay, here it is, guys. This is just a protection for the camera. So let's see. We need to remove this screen protection, but first let's bring it out, the camera. So here it is, guys. This is so unique. GoPro 10 black. This is the power button, and this button for the video or camera, and the same as usual. We can use this. Okay, and the screen, I need to bring it out. So this is it, and with this I bought a media mod. Here it is. I hope you can see clearly. Media mod for the GoPro 10. GoPro 10 I bought it, but we can use it for 9 as well. This is the box. Really good package. It's very easy. So I don't know which side they put. So let's see. Yes, they put it back. So put this here. These are the manuals. So I bought directly from the GoPro. So here it is. So this is the media mod, and this is the anti-wind. Yes, we need to fix like this. I am really excited to check this all, because this is a hard work and I bought it. So I am very happy to share with you guys. This is the media mod. This is a shotgun microphone, the front and the back, and this is the button for the camera and video. So here it is. Yeah, this is going to be like this, and this is the power button, and we can connect here. This is the place for this. So I will connect it in a few seconds, and I can use the microphone here. And now let's see what first check what we have more. The buckle mount as usual, and the thumb screw. So these are the three things inside this box. So here it is. First I need to bring out the door. Yeah. Right. So here we have to go once again. So the USB-C mount will go and connect directly. I haven't placed the battery for the moment. I am just going to show you how it is going to work. Okay, it's connected, and fix it here. Yeah, for me as well, this is first time. This is the first time, so I have to I have to practice how it is going to function, and how I am going to place the camera, how I am going to use it. This is it, and then we have to place the anti-wind, so that it can be safe, right? That's it. Here it is with media mod. You saw the camera without media mod. I purchased this because of the sound quality, because the sound is very important for the vlog. That's why I put this money for buy this media mod. This is the back side. So with media mod I have these accessories, screw and this one, and with this camera we have these accessories. I need to present you one more thing. This is an extra battery, and this is the charger. This is it for video. See this GoPro 10. This side I think. Okay, so let's put it here. Remove the, as usual, the manual. So we put it here. Oh, this is in the back side. Oh, what is this? Okay, this is for the charger. This is the battery. It is connected inside, and this is for the, this is the charger. Okay, this is easy to carry during a travel, and I have the support battery, so it's very easy for me. So that's why I plan well and I choose the product what I need only. I don't want to buy something which I am not going to use it. So guys, these are the 3 things today I am going to share for the unboxing: camera and media mode, the accessories with media mode. These are the battery and the charger, and these accessories came with the camera. So these 3 things today I am going to show, but the other things, really I have other things, but I am not going to present today because it's going to be long, so I don't want to take much time. So continue to present in the coming video. So thank you so much guys. God bless you.